Hello everyone, I am Prem Kumar. Welcome to Vertex Olympiads Math. Today we are going to discuss very interesting IOQM questions. In triangle ABC, E be the midpoint of AC. Let me take triangle ABC. E is the midpoint of AC. Let's take here E and F is the midpoint of AB. Okay, line joining this, the midpoint. You can use the midpoint theorem. So FE is equal to half of BC and FE is parallel to BC by midpoint theorem. Then what else given to you? Median B and CF. That means you have to join BE and CF. So the median meets at G. Let's take this point as G. Let me take the 2 points on the diagonal. You can see here Y is a midpoint of B. Let's take here Y is the midpoint and Z is the midpoint of CF. You can see here YZ. How to find out the area of triangle GYZ? It's already given to you. Area of a triangle is 480. So area of triangle ABC is equal to 480. So how to find out? You can observe that triangle GYZ and you can see GBC and triangle. Which triangle you can take? GYZ and you can see Y is the middle. No? So you can take GBC. Why these two triangles are similar? So angle G is common and YZ is parallel to BC. How you are telling that YZ is parallel to BC? So let me take this point as M. By converse of midpoint theorem, you can see Y is the midpoint, line joining the midpoint, right? It is parallel to base and half of the base. You can join YM, definitely it is parallel. So we need to find out YZ. How to find out MZ minus MY? What is MZ? If you take triangle BFC, so definitely MZ is line joining the midpoint. So therefore you can apply the midpoint theorem. So half of BC minus MY, you can see if you take triangle BEF you take, so definitely MY is half of EF. Now you can see YZ is equal to half times BC minus half times EF is actually already know that EF is half of BC, half into half of BC, again half you multiply. So therefore BC if you take 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, this is same as 1 by 4 times BC. YZ. So why we need this one? You can observe that triangle GYZ and GBC are similar. You can see triangle GYZ and triangle GBC or similar. Why? So angle G is common. So just now we discussed this. This is parallel. Therefore its corresponding angles are equal. Therefore it's similar. So therefore area of a triangle GYZ by area of a triangle GBC. The ratio is equal to YZ by YZ you can take and then BC whole square. Ratio of the side square. You already know that. But YZ is what actually 1/4 of BC by BC whole square. So BC cancel 1 by 16 is there. Then you need to find out area of a triangle GBC. How to find out area of a triangle GBC? Using the point of intersection, the median divides the centroid. So that means centroid divides the median, the ratio 2:1. Using that, we can find area of a triangle GBC is equal to 1/3 of area of a triangle ABC. You can verify this. 1/3, this is 480 is given. It is going to be 160. Therefore, area of a triangle GYZ is equal to 1 by 16 times 160. This is 10 is your answer. I hope everyone understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Thank you.